Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to get to a Google Meet and how to change your settings and a little bit of the features of Google Meet. So Google Meet, first off, is what we will be using as a class to meet all together. So it'll be like we're all together in the classroom, but instead of being there physically, we will be in an online space, which is the Google Meet. So the very first thing that will be helpful for joining class is to know where the Google Meet link is. And you're going to find it right here on the Google Classroom where it says Meet link. The Meet links are different for each class, so let me show you. But they are in the exact same place. All right, so I'll just go to period 3. So let me really show you where they are. So it's going to say Meet link, and you can see when I can click on it, it goes to the hand, and I would just click on it right there. So that's how you get on. You just in Google Classroom and you look for the Meet link right under the class code. Cool. So then what it's going to do is once you click on it, it's going to ask you a few questions. It's going to preview if you want to be muted when you come into the classroom, you just click on mute. So now it says microphone's off. If it's red, that means it's off. If you want to show your face, you just turn camera on. Now you can see there are 2 of me. But if you prefer to have your camera off, you would turn it off like that. Then over here, it'll tell you who else is in the classroom. But let me just show you one more time clearly. So here's the mute and unmute. You just click on it and it'll tell you microphone on, microphone off, and then the camera off, camera on. Then you'll come over here and you'll click join now. Okay, and so you can see that I am now in the Google Meet. Okay, so you can see that now I am in the Google Meet. My camera's off, so you just see my Bitmoji. My mic is off. So let me show you a few features here with the highlighter. So again, mute and unmute. This is to leave the call. So whenever class is over, you can hit that. This is your camera. So another feature is it'll show you the participants. So right now I'm the only participant in this classroom, but it will have any other people who are in it once they start to join. Another really good feature is the chat. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So when you're using the chat, I really recommend using it. You'll have to type down here at the bottom. And then you hit the paper airplane. And then you'll see it'll come up right on the screen. So let me just show you a little bit more clearly. So it's right here. So if I just click right here, I can say, how are you? And then when I'm ready, I just hit the send. So maybe you have a question, maybe you know the answer to one of my questions. That's where I want you to write it in the chat. If you don't feel comfortable with speaking with your microphone on, I would like you guys to use the chat as often as you feel comfortable doing, because it'll just make our time in class more engaging and you'll get to share your ideas that way. So that is all I have to share with you for the Google Meet. But I'm really excited. It's a great way for me to see you and to just have a little bit of more instruction that's a little bit more hands-on. All right, so thank you.